Okay. So good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, children. Okay, so new chapter, lines and angles. All of you write the heading, lines and angles.
Ma'am, your video again started.
Okay. Lines and angles. Chapter 6 is it's on NCRT, not on your book. R.B. Sharma, you just write name of the chapter, lines and angles. Lines and angles.
Ma'am, new chapter.
New chapter, new chapter. Okay. So, okay, Alan, what's a line? What is a line, Alan?
Line is a line.
Lines?
Ma'am,
line
is a thing without any endpoints.
Without any endpoint. It is a collection of points. See, lines are collection of points. There are infinitely number of points joined. And it is a collection of points. In a line, there are infinitely number of points are joined to form a line, and the two endpoints are moving to infinity, isn't it? So we are putting an arrow to both, representing a line, isn't it? This line segment with the two arrows on the either side is represented by a line. Okay. Now we have some basic definitions. We have to study basic definitions and symbols. Okay. Line segment. Line segment is denoted by line segment, two endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints. Line has no endpoint, but a line segment has two endpoints, and usually we will write line segment AB. AB bar represent line segment. AB AB bar means it is a line segment. Okay. And next we will know collinear points. What are collinear points? Collinear points, the point they lie on the same line. If three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Children, you want to write these collinear points and all? Did you study it? You want to write? If you want, we will write, because you have already studied. That's why I am. Okay, you just write. Okay, write write a line with two endpoints. You can give basic terms and definition. Write the heading as
Ma'am,
yes.
can you zoom it some more?
Sure. Now, okay. Give heading, basic terms and definitions. Under that, we will write all these things. Basic terms and definitions. Basic terms and definition. Okay, first we will write a part of a line.
Lines and
Lines
angles.
and angles. Lines and angles. Lines and angles. Lines and angles. Now you can write a part of a line with two endpoints is called a line segment. A part of a line with two endpoints is called a line segment. A part of line with two endpoints is called a line segment. A part of line with one endpoint is called
Ray.
ray. Line after line segment in bracket you can write line segment AB. AB bar, which means line segment AB. Ray, we can write AB. One endpoint, other side has no endpoint. One endpoint, other side has no endpoint. AB arrow. A part of a line with one endpoint is
One
called.
doubt. Ma'am, is it necessary that this line segment and ray should be a part of?
Part of?
Ma'am, is it necessary that this ray and line segment should be a part of a line?
Without a part of a line, how can we see? This is array, isn't it, Isha? Array. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
And this side we can extend, no? If we want, we can extend. So it become a line. So AB is array. Okay, only that. I think you mean it. We have to draw a line and make a array, isn't it? No, no need. If we want, only we need. This is array. We can extend if we want, only that. Okay. Anyway, it is a part of line AB. Okay. Now, collinear points. About collinear point. If three or more points lie on a same line, they are called collinear points. This sentence. If three or more points lie on the same line, three or more points lie on the same point. P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S are collinear points. Collinear points are collinear points. If three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear. For example, if P, Q, R, S. This is figure 1, this is figure 2. Figure 1, PQRS are collinear. In figure 2, PQRS are non-collinear. If you want, you can draw simple examples. Non-collinear. Figure 1, PQRS are collinear points. Figure 2, PQRS are non-collinear. Collinear points and non-collinear points. Collinear points and non-collinear points. Now about angle. Angle means two rays. Two rays which has same starting point. Same starting point. This is the starting point of this ray. This is the starting point of this ray. Such figure is known as angle. So we can write an angle is formed when two rays originate at the same point. If two rays originate from the same point, then it is known as angle. An angle is formed when two rays originate from the same endpoint. They have the same starting point, the starting point. Their endpoints is same. If two rays originate from the same point. And about their arms. Here two arms. These ray AB and ray AC are known as arms. So you can write the rays making an angle are called arms of the angle, and the end point is called vertex. Arms means the rays which forms an angle are called arms, and the end point is called vertex of the angle. Is called vertex of the angle. Okay, now we have classification of angles. They are acute angle, draw the figures, neat figures. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and reflex angle. More than 180 are called reflex angle. Take a pencil and scale and draw these angles. Acute between 0 and 90, angle between 0 and 90. Right angle, obtuse between 90 and 180. And straight angle is 180 degree. And reflex angle, more than 180, less than 360. Types of angles.
An incomplete angle.
Complete angle means it is a point. 360 total, 360. Forms a point. Total angle here it is 360. Okay. So complementary angle, all this reflex angle we have drawn, then no need to write. We have drawn the examples now. No need to write what is, everything is there with that figure. Now, see, Now about adjacent angles. Here ABD and ABC, DBC, three angles are there. Adjacent angles are ABD and DBC are two adjacent angles. It has a common arm BD, and the other two arms are opposite of this common arm. Okay, then these two angles are called adjacent angle. Definition is here. They have two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex. Here the common vertex is B. They have a common vertex and common arm. It has a common arm BD. And their non-common arms lies on their non-common arms are different side of common arm. Non-common arms BC and BA lies on the different side, opposite side of this common arm BD. Is it clear? Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex and a common arm. And their non-common arms lies on either side of the common arm. Okay, so children, can I ask a question? What about angle ABC, angle ABC and angle DBC? Are they adjacent? Look at the figure.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle ABC and angle DBC. Are they adjacent?
No.
ABC and DBC. It must have a common vertex. Is it there? Common vertex? ABC and DBC. Common vertex is there?
Yes,
There?
ma'am.
Yes, B is the common vertex.
Ma'am, B.
And common arm ABC and DBC. BC is the common arm, isn't it? ABC, DBC. BC is the common arm. Third point, their non-common arms must lie on either side of the common arm. Are they lying on opposite side of common arm? Ritvik, are they lying on either side of the common arm? The non-common arms, Ritvik? I mean,
Yes.
Ritvik, common vertex, common arm. And third point, non-common arms must lie on either side of the common arm. Are they lying likewise? Ritvik?
No.
No, because they are lying on the same side, isn't it? So they are not adjacent angles. ABC and DBC are not adjacent angles. Okay. So write the conditions. Write the sentence. Two angles are, and draw this figure also. Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex. And a common arm. And their common arms are on different side of the common arm. Not on the same side. They must lie on different side of the common arm. Draw this adjacent angles. Then you can write angle ABD and angle DBC are adjacent. Are adjacent angles. Angle ABD, angle ABD and DBC are adjacent angles. Also angle ABC and angle DBC are non-adjacent. They are not adjacent. Okay, are non-adjacent angles. Angle ABC and angle DBC are non-adjacent angles. ABD and DBC are adjacent angles. ABC and DBC are non-adjacent angles. Okay. Okay. Now, linear pair of angles. That is, if a ray lie on a line, if a ray lie or stands on a, if a ray stands on a line, then the angles so formed are called linear pair of angles. You write that sentence. If a ray stands on a line, if a ray stands on a line, comma, the angles so formed are called linear pair of angles. Are called linear pair of angles. Draw this figure. Linear pair of angles. Okay. After linear pair, you can write if two lines intersect each other, if two lines intersect each other, if two lines intersect each other at a point, O, then there are how many pairs of vertically opposite angles?
Two.
Two. Then there are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Then there are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Draw this figure also, vertically opposite angles. AOD equal to BOC. angle AOD equal to angle BOC, angle AOC equal to angle BOD. These are the two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Two pairs of vertically opposite angles are angle AOD and BOC. They are equal. Next pair AOC and BOD. Two pairs of vertically opposite angles and they are equal also. Okay. Next one. Next. Yes.
Can
you show that again?
Previous one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now draw the next two figures also. Intersecting lines and non-intersecting or parallel lines. If it is not intersecting, we can call them as parallel lines. Okay. Attendance, please. Lines, intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. Did you draw, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Okay, so we will wind up.
ma'am, I didn't draw.
Okay, draw simple. No?
Only
Intersecting
that?
lines. Only that. The other things we will discuss later, next period. Two lines PQ and RS. Two are in one figure they are intersecting. Next figure they are parallel. Okay. Okay, children. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, dear.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. See you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. See you soon, ma'am.